Aquí donde estamos, esto es un piraña. Dicen que yo entenderte. Qué barriga, culo para afuera, firme, ahí güey.
Okay, man, this is your boy in the house once again. Welcome to the channel, man. This is La Veracruz, one of the most, if not the most, sketchy pleasure area in Medellin, Colombia. Yes, sir, here you can find everything and everyone. From street vendors, people shining shoes, barber shops, people selling food as well. La Veracruz is known for its intense vibe, man. I was there. This is actually I think my second time in this area, and you can definitely tell this is a different kind of vibe in Medellin. So this was a Friday afternoon around 4 p.m. So this is actually when people decide to go and chill, relax, have a good time after work. And here you're gonna find a lot of leisure things you can indulge yourself in. You're gonna find people selling beers. You're gonna find people selling company. You're gonna find people selling snacks and all kinds of stuff. All kind of people as well. You can find some nice people to dance. And at the end of the day, you make your own vibe. It is intense. It can be dangerous at times as well. So a little bit more advanced in the video, I'm gonna be talking to one specific person who stays a lot of time in the area, and he's gonna be telling us how specifically this area is at night and how you can avoid travel in this specific area. So you have to be mindful because underground deals are happening in plain sight in this area. Some people are selling goods, but some other people are selling silence. You'll see people living on the edge, not by choice, of course, many times, but because there's nowhere else to go, you know? Hustlers, wanderers, workers, and survivors at the end of the day, all moving through the same cracked sidewalks. And you know, man, let's not sugarcoat it. This place has a reputation for a reason. You know, if you stand out, definitely you might get followed. If you look lost, you might get approached, my man. That's just the way it is. And if you flash your phone or wallet, don't expect to keep it for long. I'm telling you. Certain intersections like Calle 51, Avenida Oriental are known for street scams and high alert zones. So be mindful of that. Calle 51, Avenida Oriental, they're pretty well known for scams, especially after dark. And of course, not everyone here is looking to cause you harm. As I told you, like I said before, some people here are just shining shoes, selling empanadas, or even repairing broken phones, because that's one of the features of this area. There's a lot of technology fixing stores and stuff like that. And tourism, even though, I mean, if you don't believe it, even though it looks kind of sketchy, I've been seeing an increasing amount of people bringing foreigners for kind of tours to this area. They go in a group and they learn about the history of the area, because if you didn't know, La Veracruz is called like that because of the church. The church that is in the middle of the park. That church, it dates back to 1700s, and before it used to be sacred ground, you know, for praising God, but nowadays it has become a ground for praising many different things, very different things. So this is maybe a name, La Veracruz, that won't show up on your typical Medellin travel itinerary. But if you ask any local, they'll say, man, better not go there. But I would say, go. See for yourself what's up in this area. Of course, be careful, like in every other corner of the world. You have to be careful. That's what it is. Just blocks away, which is funny, there's museums, churches, cafes, and there's a part of the city most tourists never see or aren't supposed to see. Welcome to the other Medellin, the one that's real, raw, and almost too honest for some people.
Cuidado con el parque. Aquí donde estamos, estos son pirañas.
¿Esos son qué?
Pirañas.
¿Quiénes?
¿Quiénes? No es que nadie se te acerque y que vienen a preguntar ahora o algo así. Que te tienen escopolamina. Escopolamina es algo que te hace olvidar muchas cosas y tú entregas todas tus cosas sin saber. Esa es la droga de acá. Piraña con las mujeres.
A las pirañas. Las mujeres son las que tiran la escopolamina.
Papi, no, hay que estar piraña. Piraña es que tiene que estar activo bien. ¿Qué? Tiene que estar abeja. Cuando uno está abeja con
con eso no puede pasar por ahí.
eso, papi.
Por allá no.
Así sea que te hacen un documentario aquí.
Aquí todavía te salva porque están los policías y vaina, pero allá no, mano, porque te la quitan.
Ahí en Semaná, Sornería. Ahí, güey.
¿Cómo te llamas tú? Bueno, tú trabajas acá, ¿no?
Yo 50.
Un día normalmente, ¿cuánto te puedes hacer en un día?
En un día bueno,
Un día bueno.
350.
Ok. ¿Y dónde vivís?
Una
Con eso te alcanza para pagar la
sí,
pieza.
pago la pieza, la comida y lo que queda para guardar o para cualquier otra cosa.
¿Tenés hijos? Sí. ¿Tenés novio? No. Ok. Bueno, ¿qué es?
Muestre pecho, barriga, culo para afuera, firme. Ahí, güey.
¿Qué es lo que te parece más duro de tu profesión?
Lidiar con hombres borrachos,
Ok.
viciosos, así que les gusta pegar a la mujer.
Pero no te has pasado así como un cacharro
¿A mí?
que te hieran o algo.
No, a mí no. Yo me porto
Nada.
bien.
Bueno, vamos a ver qué hay por aquí. No, muchas gracias.
Ah,
Vamos a ver qué hay por aquí para que usted se compre algo también, ¿no? Like I said before, you're gonna find Botero, Plaza Botero, really nearby, which is not like a specific place for drinking and pleasure like that, but you're gonna find tourists in this area. You're gonna find a more neutral kind of population, you know, old people just having a good time, just chilling, maybe selling tintos or maybe having a snack. Even kids, you know, just enjoying the afternoon, running around, running around. Which is okay, you know. So if you didn't know, this is Botero Plaza. Specifically, all of these sculptures, they're pretty famous in Colombia, if not the most famous sculpture artist in the whole country, because he made all of this, and when he died, before dying, of course, he decided to donate all of his art to Colombia, to Medellin and Bogota. So he's a pretty well-known artist in the city and also in the country. They are characterized for being oversized, overweight sculptures. You can see the horses being a lot heavier than they are normally in real life, and the people as well. And just next to it, like literally in front of it, you enter a whole another different world, pack of many beautiful things and many not so beautiful as well.
Papi, la hora más peligrosa en salir acá son por la noche, después de las 10. No hay papaya por acá mucho. Aquí. Sí, ¿sabes? Yo, a tomar un trago, un whisky aquí delante de la iglesia. Aquí tú puedes ver una pelea en segundo. En segundo, ahí hubo una pelea. Hace 3 días se le dio un paro cardíaco a una. Antes de ayer se metieron como un poco de gente para el calabozo. Sé que tú no te vas con una chamaquita de esta, ¿me entiendes? Porque si te vas, hay algunas que tienen novio y ya cuando termine planean ya la vuelta afuera para atracar o lo que sea, como laminarte y dejarte ver que al día siguiente no saben nada. Eso es muy peligroso también. De todo tamaño, todo tipo. Aquí ves hasta Transformers.
Eso vi por ahí, un par de Transformers.
Aquí la que menos piensa es un Transformer.
So I met these guys who work and stay in the area. They were just kind of explaining superficially what the dynamics in the area are. And for the most part, just try not to be too late in this area, man. That's just what it is. In the afternoon, it was nice. I was there with my camera. Even though they said it's like really dangerous and risky, I was there with my camera, just chilling. And nothing really happened. What I was trying to do was trying to find people more ladies to interview, you know, just to ask some questions, but they didn't want to. I was actually offering a little bit of money, not too much, but
I mean, for 2 minutes of speaking, just talking a little bit about yourself, it was good. So most of them didn't want to because they are afraid, you know, afraid because they are associated with specific people who they don't want to expose.
Ven. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo te llamas? 3 minuticos, yo te pregunto, como de dónde sos vos, hace cuánto estás, ¿de dónde sos vos?
¡Ey!
¿Y cuántos años tenés? Yo te tapo la cara. ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Ah? Ven, Sara. Ven. ¿No te parece más fácil? Ven, yo te explico. ¿No te parece más fácil hablar que ¿no te parece? ¿Ah? Ven.
Yo no voy a participar en las preguntas, no.
Dame la razón para yo entenderte.
So that's it for today, man. La Veracruz. It isn't polished. It's unpredictable, complicated, and very intense. But it's also real, and real is worth paying attention to. You know, so this is a neighborhood that tells you something no skyline or beach ever could. So if you found this video thought-provoking, you liked it, just hit the like button and subscribe for more untold stories from Colombia and all over the world. More videos coming. Please drop a comment. What do you think? Have you ever been in La Veracruz? Do you want to go? Would you walk to La Veracruz by yourself? Or have you ever seen a place like this in your own country? Just let me know, man. Stay curious, stay safe, and see you in the next one. Peace.